started. About 2 hours. So much fun. They are all primed and ready to paint. Alright, so to paint over the primer, we're going to use some Rust-Oleum. It's called the Universal Advanced Formula. It's a paint primer. So it's for any surface. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so they were completely dry. I waited till the next day to get started again, but one important thing is to keep in mind, they are sticking on, let me see, to the plastic, so when you peel them up, you have to be really careful because around the edges, they're getting pretty close to peeling, so you have to like take your time when you're taking them off. I'm sure they won't look too bad, but you can kind of see there's a line there. You kind of have to, let's get this in focus. Alright, right there, okay. So basically, that little line, you kind of just have to push back. Let me see if I can get this for you guys. Alright, so like basically, I'm pushing it down in a way. Push down, you kind of see it, but make sure you don't peel. Don't peel back this way. Peel away where it's gonna come up. You can probably avoid this if you just paint on wood or something, but since I had 29 of these, I didn't have anything to paint on. because if I did one piece at a time, it would have took me days. But it works. Can't really see it, so it should be good now to add on some lacquer, some finish top coat. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm using this lacquer to put a final coat on the handles. So it's really toxic, so I recommend definitely wear a mask, respirator mask. Okay, so I have them all sprayed with lacquer. Now we'll go wait probably an hour and come back to check them out. Alright, so let's check out the final product. So they're finally dried out. Top coat, the lacquer is off, so let's take a look at these. So pretty clean looking.